While you're down on the ground, why not try a few exercises? This one, for example, is fantastic for strengthening the muscles of the legs, especially those around your knee. So you do one leg at a time. Simply straighten your leg out. You don't have to use too much strain to straighten your leg out. Keep your toes pointed up towards the ceiling or the sky in this case, and hold your foot in that position for as long as you feel a bit of fatigue set in. So if you're new to this, it could be 10 seconds, it could be 20 seconds, 30 seconds. You might be able to work up to doing this for a minute, at which point you could even use an ankle weight. Of course, you want to switch over to your other leg as well. While you're down here, why not roll over on your stomach, your chest, and do some Supermans. Raise your arms off the ground like so, your upper chest off the ground, your legs at the same time. This is fantastic for the back. All right, same again. When you're new to this, you might be only able to hold it for 10 seconds, maybe 20 seconds. Work up to doing 30 seconds, maybe even a minute. And while you're down here, why not go into a plank with your elbows supporting your upper body and your toes on the ground. You want to push your back muscles up, keep your body straight like so. And again, if you're new to this, you might only be able to do it for 10 seconds, perhaps 20 seconds. Work up to the point where you can do it for maybe a minute, even 2. So while you're down there, why not?